Hello, my name is Daniel Schindel, and I'd like to walk you through this dashboard I created in Excel showing the sales numbers for a chain of bike stores. This first chart here shows the revenue, and below it you can see the number of items sold, both of them broken down by month. And in this drop-down menu you can select which store you want to look at. Whichever store is showing in this menu updates these titles, and then when you click Update, it updates the information in the chart. That's about it. It's a fairly simple dashboard, and now I'd like to walk you through some of the technical details of how I was able to accomplish this. The really cool thing here is that this information is being pulled in from a back-end SQL database, so that when you click Update here, this information is brought into these charts in real time. The first thing I did was create an SQL query. That's here, and it looked a lot nicer in SQL Server Management Studio, but here it is in Excel. Now the drop-down menu comes from a table that's here, and then that updates this cell, and then the name of the store is brought into this line of the query. Currently it says store name equals Santa Cruz Bikes. Then I put the whole query into one cell on one line here, so that when you click Update, it runs a macro that I can show you here. This first bit establishes an ODBC connection to the database, and then this line refreshes the connection between the database and this table here. And then the next line of the macro here refreshes a connection between this table and the pivot table here. And then the pivot table automatically updates these charts. So that's about it. At the bottom here I have an attribution link for the image I used for this bike shop logo. If you're watching this video from my portfolio, the links to the image attribution, the Excel file, and the SQL database are right there. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, all the links are in the description. With that being said, I'm excited to see what I can do for your company. Ever since I learned how to do this stuff, I've been eager to develop my skills and learn new techniques. And several of the tools on display here I had to find online. So really anything you put in front of me, I will be able to figure out. So thanks for watching.